Hey guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry today. We're going to go for a quick little ride in the side-by-side, and I'm going to get out one of the coolest pieces of equipment that I carry with me. Something that I think you guys are going to like. You've seen it in some of my other videos, but I'm going to kind of show you a little bit more in depth about it this time. So check it out, you guys. Let's get out of here. All right, let's hope we don't regret this. Those clouds look nasty. All right, you guys, my goal is not to be a product review channel, but if I find something that I absolutely love and that works great for me, I'm going to share it. This right here, you've seen it in some of my videos. It sits in my kitchen. If you haven't seen the kitchen video, go check that out. This is a wannabe Firebox. You guys have heard of Firebox? So the Firebox is an awesome little wood burning stove. My problem is when I first saw it, like 75, 80 bucks, 100 bucks, depending on which one you get, I wasn't sure it was going to work for me. So I went with the cheaper option. I believe this one is called a Redcamp, and it was like 28 bucks. I'll insert a picture of it right here. So check that out. There's a link down below that you can pick this thing up. Like I said, it's cheap. It works awesome. I'm going to give you a quick little demonstration of it right here. And this is something that I highly recommend having in your side-by-side kit, in your backpacking kit, in your overlanding kit, whichever it is. So Redcamp wood burning stove, you guys check this out. It comes in this case with a handle. It's just kind of cheap canvas, not really much to it. Folds up and packs right in there. There's nothing else in there. So let's see what else. This is an ashtray that goes on the bottom of it. This is a griddle that goes on the top of it. And then, so you can see here, it just folds out. It has a couple of little handles here. I don't know why it has the handles, but it does. So it folds out, and that little grill in the middle slides down. That's what holds the wood in place. You can feed it from here. So the only thing that I think I would like to do to this is I want to make some holes on this backside. and maybe a couple of holes on each side so that the flame can go up a little bit better. Not real impressed with the way that works, but I love this thing. It's awesome. And when I'm done with this one, I'm absolutely going to spend the money for the Firebox. So anyway, check this out. I'm going to load this up. I'm going to cook a couple of, you know what I like, jalapeno cheddar brats. So let's do it. So the ash pan slides right in the bottom there. You can see that keeps ashes from falling all the way through onto the ground. I'm going to set this up. If I can get it on the level. Sweet. That's good enough. Let me get something to make fire with. I just grabbed some dried up pine needles and I got some sagebrush, just some twigs here. That's all this thing needs. I got a little fire starter that I'm gonna light and put in here. And then I'm gonna just put this stuff right on top of it. See that? It does not take a lot, you guys. That's what I love about this little cooker. Me blowing in it like that's why I think that these breather holes need to be a little bit bigger in the side. I'm going to take care of that modification myself. Just throwing little twigs in there. Dead pine works really good. Little pine sticks, little aspen sticks off of a dead tree, whatever. It's all a piece of cake. It's everywhere around you. So with the grill on there, I can feed it from the side like this, and we're good to go. So I'm gonna let that wood burn down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw some brats on there and cook them up for you guys. All right, I got some coals, put a couple more sticks right on top of there, and I think I'm ready to throw a brat right on top of that. So check this out, you guys. You control the temperature by how much fire you put in it. Piece of cake. And the handy dandy tongs, I'll link those down below too. So maybe I want a little more fire in there. I'm just gonna feed it from the side right here. Check this out. Having to blow on it like that's why I think it needs some bigger holes in the side and then up on top so more air flows through it and around it. Anyway, she's cooking, you guys. Make a little adjustment to my fire there. Ooh, watch this. That's good stuff. That's Rocky Mountain backcountry, you guys. I might have that a little bit too hot now. Check the link down below for the Redcamp stove. I'll link a Firebox stove and a couple of other options down there you guys can check out. And don't miss the tongs either. Makes it easy. Woo, that old girl's done. All right, drop that right in the bun there. Let's check this out. You need a wood-burning cook stove on your side-by-side. That's awesome. So how's that for a hot little lunch on the trail? Redcamp wood-burning stove cooker or Firebox or whatever one you want. You got to have it. So I'm going to let that cool off for a minute. Have myself a Dr. Pepper. Finish eating this brat. And then I'm going riding again. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. It's time to cool this thing off a little bit while I eat my hot dog here. Have a little Dr. Pepper. And then I'm going to pack it up and go for another trail ride. So thanks again for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. And let's go for a ride.